Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn prose English term 2 prose sports star. Sports star part 1. Part 1 is about Mithali Durairaj. Who is Mithali Durairaj? Indian female cricketer. She was a wonderful player. Okay. Mithali Durairaj lives in Hyderabad, but her mother tongue is Tamil. She indeed the inspirational to all of us. So the government of India recognized her contribution through the cricket. So she was awarded by Padma Shri. Okay children, let's see what are the contribution and what are the achievements by Mithali Durairaj.
Each day is a new beginning. In this lesson, one boy had so much unfolded and he had the best day in school that day. What is that day? He loves cricket very most. Today, his teacher told about the cricketer. So, today he would be learn about a cricketer. He thought it was a Sachin, Virat Kohli and such a something about a male players. But in this lesson, the teacher introduced about a female player, Mithali Durairaj, an Indian cricketer and the captain of the Indian women's cricket team in Test and One-Day International ODIs. Yes, Mithali Durairaj was a Indian cricket player, female Indian cricket player. He was the Indian women's captain. I never thought a woman could play a cricket as well. The boy never thought the woman could play a cricket. It was why I have never let my little sister play with the cricket with me. He won't allow the little sister to play the cricket. But he said, it is not for you. You had better play with the girls. However, he was very surprised when I learned that Mithali started to play the game at the age of 10 and that she was selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. He was surprised. It started at age 10 and she was selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. So the boy was very surprised about Mithali Durairaj. Mithali Durairaj lives in Hyderabad and he was learned that her mother tongue is Tamil. He felt very proud that she was be widely recognized and acknowledged. What is meant by recognized and acknowledged? Acknowledged means accepted. Recognized means she was a well-known person. She was a well-known person and she was accepted by everyone. And she was the highest run scorer in Indians women international cricket and the only woman cricketer to surpass the 6,000 run marks in ODIs. She was the only one woman to surpass the 6,000 run and mark in ODIs. Mithali is the first player to score 7 consecutive 50s. 7 consecutive 50s. In fact, she is nicknamed Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket. What is the nickname of Mithali? Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket. As she is presently the all-time leading run scorer for India in all formats including Test, ODIs and T20s. In each and every game, a scorer run above 50 and 50s. So the boy was so much impressed and inspired about Mithali Durairaj because he lives in Hyderabad and his mother tongue is Tamil. Then she said, on the one hand, being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege. I do not think I have achieved even half of what he did for the country. On the other, being a woman cricketer, I want people to know me for my own identity. I would rather not be compared to a male cricketer. So, the quote about the Mithali Durairaj. She said, "Don't compare with Sachin. Your comparing with Sachin is an absolute privilege to me. But don't compare with a male cricketer. I want to be achieved with my own identity. So, being a woman cricketer, I want to people to know me for my own identity." So she won't compare with the male cricketer. Okay, she indeed is an inspiration to all of us. As a female cricketer, she was an inspiration girl to all of us. She actually started cricket with her brother. Yes, she actually started cricket with her brother. When she was young, she used to go with her father to the grounds where he practiced. She used to stand outside the ground and return the ball when it came her away. He used to take the ball and return the ball. And though it was a humble start, she managed to secure a name and a place for herself. Yes, that is a humble start for Mithali Durairaj. He started secure a name for herself. Yes. He started playing cricket with her brother, and when she was young, she used to go with her father to the ground. When she practiced, she used to stand outside the ground. For what? And return the ball when it came her way. Yes. That is a humble start for the Mithali Durairaj. That is a humble start for the Mithali Durairaj. Next. So, she broke the traditional barriers. She broke the traditional barriers and proved that women are on par with men in every field. Yes, the woman also achieved everything equally in the every field, equally to the male in the every field. So the Indian government contribute to cricket conferred on her the Padma Shri award. Many of us think cricket is for men. However, she broke the traditional barriers. Yes, many of us think the cricket is only for women, but he broke everything and he achieved whatever he thought. And the government of India recognized for her contribution to cricket conferred on her the Padma Shri award. She awarded by Padma Shri. And I forgot the mention about the recent achievement of our Indian women cricket team. So the boy forgot one thing. What that? The recent achievement of Indian women cricket team. Mithali Durairaj and another woman cricket player, Smriti Madana, hit stylish half century and India cruised to a comfortable 9-wicket victory over South Africa in the second Women's T20 International on 23rd of February 2018. Yes, they achieved. Mithali honored the innings to perfection with an unbeatable 76. She got 76 runs. Then now that I am inspired by her and my attitude has changed, I certainly happy when my little sister follows her passion. Yes, the boy's little sister also follows her passion. Yes, we also inspired by her attitude and we also follow her passion. Yes, children, as a female, you are also follow the Mithali Durairaj passions. Okay, thanks for listening. Thank you.